Introducing Clan Wars. Clan versus Clan Wars. Don't believe me? Ask my boy. That's right, we got Clan Wars. Clan Wars are finally here. You've been waiting a couple of years. Hope you got your troops maxed out. Hope you got your loot maxed out. All the time you were chasing cups, you should have been farming gem and stuff. Let's get your defense up. Get better at attacks because it's gonna take a lot more than just sniping town halls. If you go against my clan, we're gonna 3-star all of y'all. Howlin' Wolf's the clan name. I'm Aries with few in numbers. But if you come against my clan, that Howlin' Wolf is gonna hunt you. Infernos on fire. Heal spells and hog riders. Go wee and go white. Got giants so healers take flight. Dragons and raise spell. Fire flame burn just like hell. Oh well, sit back and listen. Clash of Clans got new additions. CLANWARS. Now we're gonna really see which clans are the best. Clash of Clans, I'm the man. Got my iPhone in my hand. Prepping day is about to end. Come on, let the war begin. Got CC troops on ready to fight. Play Clash of Clans both day and night. Making lots of raids, no time for resting. Hope the servers don't lose connection. Got my heroes, got my spells. Kept all full, so all is well. Enemy base is best beware, cause I'm powered up like Supercell. Clan Wars. Clan Wars. We got Clan Wars. We got Clan Wars.